Today's video is about a tutorial on how to make neat, flawless box braids. Have you been struggling with making neat box braids? Have you been struggling with gripping the roots of your hair? Worry no more because this video's got you covered. So to start off your cornrows or your hairstyle, just section the hair into three halves. One part to the back, one part to the side, and the other part to the other side of the head. So if you like, you can start from the back. Well, for me, I like to start from the one of the sides of the hair, but I don't know for one reason or the other, I started from the back. The reason I like to start from the front, like one side of the hair, is because it makes the work very fast for me. You know, like when you're starting something and you are coming with massive energy, you want to pour the energy in the front part of the hair. Like, you know, when you make the back part of the hair, by the time you're getting to the front, you're almost exhausted. So that's why I like to channel my fresh energy to the front part of the hair and make it look popping. But anyways, whether I channel it to the front or to the back, my hairs always come out good. So you need to look at for what works for you. So after deciding where you want to start with your hair with, section it. Like for this hair, I sectioned the front part into a total of 12 rows, with 6 rows being on each side of the hair. Like I parted it in the middle. One part of it is 6 rows, the other part is another 6 rows, making it a total of 12. For the back part, I didn't count how many rows they were. So watch my hands closely and learn how to grip your hair from the root. Make sure to section your extension and crisscross it with one part bigger than the other part, slightly bigger than the other part. So when you crisscross it, the small part will be together and then the other part will be one leg and the other leg. That's making it a total of 3 legs. So with it, watch me closely. You see how I crisscross the extension, hold it together, and turn my hand into the extension. This helps me grip the hair from the root properly. And when you crisscross your extension, it makes your box braid come out looking professional, like it's a professional that did the hair. So if you are comfortable with braiding and not crisscrossing, it's fine. But I'm just saying that crisscrossing the extension makes it look more professional. So watch my hands closely and learn. This hair is French coils. Yeah, the hair is very silky. If you don't hold it properly, it might slip off your hands. So, and then if you're not careful, you might tangle the extension. Just as you're braiding, take one leg of the extension out rather than try to separate the 3 of them at the same time. When you pull out one leg, it helps it open up better. Watch me as I grip the hair from the root again. Guys, I don't know how else I can explain this, but I feel like when you watch me grip the hair from the root, just like I'm doing here, make sure that your hand is not too far away from the scalp of the hair. Yeah, then consistently braid the hair, and then until you turn your hand the other way. Okay? One other thing that will make your hair to stand out is the neatness of the hair, including the parts. Make sure to get clean lines, clean braids, and your hair will just stand out even without you knowing. Like, I don't know. Just watch me, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video to your loved ones, to your friends, to your enemies, to your neighbors, to anyone you think will benefit from this hair. And if you know you have learned one or two of this video has been impactful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. Okay, I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video and give you some more up close view on how I grip the box braid from the roots in order to achieve a neat hairstyle. Okay, until I see you again in my next one. Don't go anywhere. Stay and watch till the end. All right? Bye.